What happens when a US company follows the immigration rules, but US still wants American workers that may have not received a fair chance? That question is now putting major technology companies under a much closer spotlight. The US Department of Justice is increasing scrutiny on how the companies recruit the workers for the green card sponsorship, especially through a process shown as PERM. What exactly is PERM? Why does it matter so much? Well, PERM or PERM is an important step for many foreign workers seeking employment-based green cards. Before sponsoring a worker, an employer generally has to show that the qualified US worker are not available for that job. And that means the company must conduct a recruitment process and give American workers to opportunity to apply. However, DOJ is now looking beyond companies simply followed by the technical rules. The focus is whether the recruitment process itself have been made it harder for the American workers to compete. And one major case has put issue the spotlight. OpenAI has agreed to pay around $3.2 million to settle the DOJ allegations that its recruitment practices disadvantaged the US workers for the certain PERM-related positions. The DOJ said that outside the applicants were required to apply by mail, while applicants of other positions could use an online system. And that's the difference. According to the department, made it harder for the US workers to compete. But the OpenAI is not only the company facing this scrutiny. Meta and Apple have also faced similar allegations. In fact, Apple agreed in 2023 to pay $25 million to resolve the allegations and discrimination against the US citizens in its PERM recruitment process. This signals a major shift. DOJ says that it has reached 13 settlements involving alleged hiring bias over 18 months under the Trump's administration protecting the US Worker Initiative. And the enforcement is moving beyond settlement. In April, the DOJ filed an administrative complaint against Cloudera, after which the Labor Department barred company from making new PERM filings. And now, the Labor Department is also considering a broader overhaul on the PERM rules, which have remained largely unchanged for more than 2 decades. But companies may no longer be able to say, "We followed the rules," and stop there. Well, there may have been to prove to America that the workers in the American origin were not equal chanced. And this could significantly change how the US companies hire and sponsor the future work permits.